Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export and import cows. So to do this we go to animal list, we choose our cows. In this case I'm going to take the first three, I'm going to export, we choose sold and an exit reason. So on the exited reason we can have our own custom made one which we do in the lookup items, which there is a video also on YouTube for that. In this case I'm just going to choose other and I'm going to save. So we choose a destination where we're going to save it. In this case I'm going to save on the desktop. I recommend saving it somewhere on the PC as a minimum and then copying that file onto a USB or however you want to send it, just as a precautionary, so you have a copy of that file should something happen with the one you copy. Right, so we're going to save that. This takes a little bit of time. Okay, now it says exported, and we'll see if I refresh here, those animals are gone. So what I recommend, so we're just going to go to the exited list. What I recommend is getting rid of these cows off the exited list, but only do this once you are happy they've been imported on the other database, just in case there's an issue, right? So we're going to delete the exited animals here, and while we do this, if the animals come back to the farm at a later stage and back onto the database, it won't allow it to import if the animals, even if it's on the exited list, it will tell you the animal exists already. So this is why we do this. This is quite an important step if you're moving animals backwards and forwards between farms. Right, so once that's done, we go back to all female animals. Now on the other farm, we're also going to go to animal list. We're going to go import. We're going to choose the folder path, the file. Import ID transponder, which will be the transponder tag number, and also if you have activity, you select that, and you can choose which group they're going to. I'm going to choose group 3, and then we say import. You see it says new animal there. If you don't delete them off the exited list, it will say exited animals and you will have errors. This does take time, depending on how many animals. A large list will obviously take much longer than just a handful of cows. There it says animals are imported, and if we close this, it just gives you a warning to say animal feed information is not imported. Also, dump milk statuses and don't milk status and all the rest of it is also not imported, so we need to double check those on the animal status once they've imported. So if I refresh that now, there are 3 animals in group 3 that we've just imported.